gone down there. Oh, this is going to be scary. Jesus, right up to the second path. Or edge of the grass there now. You just have to climb way down to get there. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh jeez, I'm scared standing up here. Oh god. And I thought this was bad before. Last time we had floods. I thought this was bad last time we had floods, and I was recording. Oh, remember I said recording whirlpools before? Yeah. There goes a log. Yeah, but look, it's like little whirlpools or something at the sides, look. Actually big whirlpools there, look.
Come on, look.
Okay. Just look how close it is to our feet though, jeez. Here. Get the other side of them, okay? I'm actually scared of going to fall into this. Run.